What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s. I know CJ So Cool already did that, but it is hot as hell out here in Vegas, man. It is 120 degrees outside. It's so hot, boy. You can cook an egg on the street or the sidewalk, breakfast in the streets. But we is finna do a review on CJ So Cool Huracan Evo Spider 2020. We're gonna do a walk around first, then we're gonna get in the inside. And hey, he trusts your boy with the keys, so I might have to do a drive around too.
I was just bullshitting.
But this thing is definitely, like he said, you know, it's definitely a dream car of mine. A car that I know I can get, that I'm adding on the list. And this thing is dope. Y'all already know I influenced y'all boy to get this because he can't stand for nobody to talk about none of his cars. So when I got all that but clear, it said the Huracan was better. He went and got it though. But he went vert. And this thing, everything just play. Y'all know how I am about the cars and how everything just play. How I like to have everything play out. To me, this is my favorite car that he had. This in the Aventador. But we about to get into this review and check the vehicle out, man.
5 minutes later, 5 hours later, the next day.
Look at this thing here, guys. You can't tell me this ain't sexy. See, this is why every time I come down here to Vegas, I leave so motivated. And this is why I grind so hard, guys. Here's plenty of reasons to grind right here. Let's get back here to the wheels. Wrapped in some Pirelli tires, 405 30 20s in the rear. Look at the brake calipers on this thing. It already got perfect Lamborghini wheels on here. They also got a Forgiato wheel that look like this. Bro don't need it. This is a $350,000 car.
$350,000 car.
It don't need nothing but what's on here. Huracan Evo stamp right there. Check out the door handles. Dope too. Really don't even remember how to get in there. I know it pop out. You know, we got the maroonish red vert top on here. Love it, guys. Love it to death. But what's so amazing to me about this car too is the paint on this one. At night, this car look completely black. But if you look at it right now, you can see the red flakes in there. And it ain't just red, it's like the maroon flakes that is on the top that match the interior. This thing is sick. When he showed me this, it was between a green one, hard top with white interior, with I think green stitching. That one was nice too, it definitely stood out. But this one just took the icing off the cake. If the other one had a white vert on top, it would have destroyed this one. This car is wide, as y'all can see. Look how wide it is. This one, you know you made it, man, when you get that Lamborghini. And I ain't settling, guys. Turning my grind all the way up. Think you got a camera right here, a camera over there, I'm not sure. Look at the lights on this thing, sick. It's definitely wider than the Corvette to me. And it's shorter, it just got that mean, aggressive look. I don't know. You see the McLaren over there, the McLaren is a nice car, but everybody know that lamb talk is that lamb. Now I ain't gonna go messing with the engine. I know that's in the rear. You know the trunk is in the front. Nice glass mirrors. We about to get on the inside of this thing, man. I love the back. I love the back. The exhaust is super loud. You got your backup sensors right here, but this exhaust, loud. You know, a monster in here when this thing start up. Look at it from the back. Hit it from the back. Nasty. Let's see. Okay, so the door handle come out like that. Now look at this stitching. But this is where everything plays so good. It got like a carbon fiber look right here. But this maroonish red, guys, it's almost the exact same color as the top. And as you know, sometimes hot tops is harder to match with the interior. But the top flow with the seats to the metallics that's in the paint job, like that is just so dope. And if I didn't show you that, you probably wouldn't have knew. I think you got a speaker here, you got a speaker here, you got some more knobs here, you got the Huracan right there. Check out the seats though. Black and red stitching. You got the Huracan right there. Sit in this thing. You fall back in it too. Like, you definitely fall back in it. I don't know what these gauges is. I'm not gonna even get up here and sit in here and lie to y'all. I don't know what the gauges is, but it's comfortable too. I haven't sat on the passenger side. No, on the passenger side of the McLaren, my knees was touching. You know, you got the Lamborghini, everything here. You got the vert top that go back. Look like another camera or something right here. And you got the speaker right there, down to the little carbon fiber rest. Look at the screen though. I still think, like all these supercars, they is dope. But I still think that the C8, the inside of the C8 is the king right now. Not because I got one, it's just the way that it is made, guys. The C8 inside is so dope. But the better car, of course, is gonna be the more expensive Lamborghini. It's just, being in one and seeing it in person is different from seeing it on the internet, and it's just motivation. Like I said, everything is motivation, guys. Whenever I come down here, I leave more motivated than ever. And you know, I didn't call CJ and beg him, oh, let me come down here and shoot your car. No, we talked about some things. Bro decided to help me out, and I came down here. I never call him. I never try to use him for nothing. I always, you know, if he don't invite me down here, I'm not gonna say, hey CJ, I need to come to your house, because that ain't how it works, man. You don't do that type of stuff. I gotta give him and his family their respect and their space. I don't call him begging him to do this or do that, shout me out, none of that stuff. If he reach out to me and say, come down here, bro, let's do this, then that's what it is. We on the road to 500K. You know, we worked out something with the Challenger, and I'm like, bro, you just help my YouTube channel as well. So that's what we did, you know, a win-win. Win for me, win for him. But anyway, let's get back into this review. He gave me the keys, so I think you lift this up right here, then you listen. I don't know about them car build guys. When you hear this thing start up, man, you don't want to get it nothing else. Tire undeflated. Oh, parking brake engaged. He only got 126 miles on the car. Check this out. Oh, you got all your little settings right here. Where is that? Where is it at? This button right here, guys, this engage the top to make it go down. You push this in, and check this out. The top goes back. I don't know why the air came on, but the top goes back. Show y'all what it looks like with the top back. The windows go up. Hear the sound, listen. Y'all hear that? Yeah. Nice. Alright, we're gonna turn this beast off. To put it in drive, you shift this once. What'd you say? Oh, I turned it off already. CJ said put it in sports so y'all can hear the real sound. Okay. But that's what it was like with the top down, guys. I don't think he's tinting the windows on this one because he definitely want to be seen in here. Nasty. Make me kind of not want to get the hard top at all. Like totally out of the question. Just wait till I can get the convertible. Because the convertible is just everything. You know, you can let that top up and down and go down pretty fast too. Didn't take that long. But shit, down here in Vegas, you can't ride with the top down till nighttime. It's so hot. I should take off in it.
Boy, CJ driving the Lambo for the first time. Actually, this is the first person I ever let drive my freaking car. Take it easy over that bump now, man. Oh yeah, man. Me like the way you take care of me car, man. Oh, boy, what the heck wrong with you? Too bad I can't zoom in on this Android. Hold on, I'm finna turn around. He didn't even use the brakes. He doesn't know them brakes work. Get out his way, this man crazy. Hit it, man. Woo. Got kind of close to my McLaren, boy. Crazy as hell. Look at this lady acting like a tourist. She want to ride down the block. She wanna see a black man flexing. Yeah, that mug almost lifted up. Boy, you could've did a wheelie. You could've did a wheelie. That paint flipping. Boy, it just scraped a little bit. Yeah. Get that mug in the shade. Right there. Press the P for park and then put it in parking brake too. Press the P, press the first P on top of the M, yeah. Now pull that up. Yeah. Yes, sir. Dang. That's how I be looking. See, you never know what you look like till you let somebody else drive. You don't know how to get out.
You got some feel to it, but you can't unless you're on a straightaway. There's a lot of lumps over here.
Yeah, them speed bumps, dangerous.
Yeah. Gotta let you tear up something before.
Yeah.
That go in, bro.
Yeah. Got you, man. It's gonna do that on his own, man. What you gotta say?
Man, I love it, man. But let me know what y'all think about the review, guys. We got a lot of stuff we doing down here. Like I said, shout out to CJ So Cool. If you're not subscribed to his channel, make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. He showed me a lot of love when I come down here and I feel right at home. And we just hang out and kick it, man. It's not even always about the vlogging. It's just hanging out, kicking it, talking about a bunch of nothing. But we got a lot of big things in the works. I'm talking about a lot. Like, I can't tell you right now, maybe me and him will do a video on it. But we got some things in the works that's gonna be big. This gonna help me and it's gonna help him. But I appreciate everybody who came from over on his channel, that subscribed to my channel. You didn't have to do it. So I appreciate y'all. We're gonna try to keep the channel lit. I'm gonna try to keep some energy. As y'all know, I post every single day. I stay grinding. So if it's anything y'all want me to vlog about, drop it in the comment section. Let's make this video the highest thumbs up and like video that your boy CJ on 32's got before we back to doing giveaways on the channel. We got to keep the momentum going. When I get back home, we doing another Cash App giveaway. I don't care if I ain't at that 500,000 subscribers. We're gonna do it anyway. It's time to pick the channel up, man. But this your boy CJ on 32's checking out with another video. I'm out, man.